It's great. Let's put it on my face. Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chanrel. I do mostly project panning content, but I do occasionally do an unboxing. And this month I have, I'm trying to cover my address here, the new Glam Bag X. So if you're unacquainted with IPSY's new box that they have, it is a quarterly upgrade to your monthly subscription that you already have. And it's a really big upgrade. This is like a $55 box. And they say that each one is going to be curated by a famous person. And this particular one, the very first one, was curated by Patrick Ta, which I have been wanting to try his products, and some of his products are in this box. So they snagged me. You guys will have to let me know down below if you think that this box is worth it. I am pretty happy with this first box. I have opened it already because I do want to include a giveaway, so exciting, in this video, and I want to give away one of the hero items from this box. I really wanted to do a giveaway for hitting 500 subscribers, and I didn't do it at that time, so I'm really excited to do it now. I have been getting, more subscribers lately. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you hanging out with me and just having fun with me here on my channel, the commenting and the support and the likes. Just thank you so much for just having fun with me. That's all it's about for me. This is my fun little hobby channel, so thank you guys so much for joining me, and it makes me really excited to be able to give something back to you. So I'm gonna save that hero item for last, of course, but for now, let's start opening this. I will be trying some of it on, not everything, which is why, I have the bunny ears on. I do have some makeup on already, and so let's get into what is in the box. So first of all, when you open it, it comes with a full-on little magazine. Of course, this features Patrick Ta and all of the products that he picked out for the box. And there are tips from him about how to use everything. So I will definitely be looking at that and how to use everything. So the way Glam Bag X works is the makeup artist that curates the box. They pick out a few things that are going to be in everyone's box with very slight variation. And then you go in and choose which products you would like to add to your box from like a selection that they curate for you. So this first item was one that came in the box. I did not choose this one. So this is from from Complex Culture. This is a sonic T-bar facial massager. Now, I have seen these and instantly dismissed them. I don't know, I feel like so many of these things are gimmicky. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, maybe they work. But this is what it looks like. So, it's supposed to vibrate and I think you kind of go like this. I'll have to read the instructions on it, but I don't know how to turn this on. That should turn it on, right? It twists. Maybe it needs a new battery. I'm gonna have to really look for instructions on how to get this open because I can't figure it out. But that will be interesting to try. Whoa, according to the little magazine, it has a value of $58. Okay, all right. So yeah, I shouldn't maybe try not to be so dismissive. I thought it was gonna be kind of a cheap little thing, but it does feel kind of hefty, so we'll see if I can figure that out. Next up, this is very exciting. This is another one of the curated items from Patrick Ta. This is from Pat McGrath. What an awesome brand to have in a subscription box. Like when I saw that, I don't think I've ever seen a Pat McGrath item in a subscription box before. Very exciting. So if I could get this open, that would be great. Maybe I can't get it open. This is the Fetish Eyes mascara, by the way. Nope, I'm gonna have to go get a scissors. I almost pulled an Alexandria Ryan and tried to go after it with any random pointy object in here. I almost used a tweezers. If you guys haven't seen her unboxing channel and you enjoy unboxings, highly recommend. I think she's got the best unboxing channel out there. Okay, so here it is, this beautiful bright blue shiny packaging, and that is what it looks like. So I won't be opening this. I don't like to open mascaras until right before I will be actively using them. I feel like if I open everything that comes in subscription boxes, it would be so wasteful because they would dry out before I could completely use them. So I'll be setting this aside to use for another time, but I'm really excited about this bougie mascara. I think, what does it say about this? This is the, yeah, it has a retail value of $30. So that's an expensive mascara. I'm usually a drugstore mascara person, so I'm excited to get to try this out at some point here in the future. Okay, this next item, another item curated by Patrick Ta, was the entire reason for me to get this box. There was an option of getting one of his blushes. Now it was either you got one of these or his brow wax, which I would have been really excited to get. I've heard really good things, really good reviews about it. But I got the blush and they sent me the shade She's Passionate. It does have the type of packaging where it will instantly show fingerprints, but that's okay. It's very reflective and very beautiful. Funny, the sticker on the back of mine is askew, which seems odd for a high-end blush, but you know, it's okay. These blushes retail for $32. Look, I mean, it comes with a really big mirror. It's beautiful. Like I said, I did open everything to make sure that nothing was broken before this video, but I haven't swatched this. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, it does feel nice and soft. There's the color. Let's put it on my face. I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. blush brush, and I'll use the little mirror that comes in the compact. I'm so excited. All right, just gonna dab, dab, dab. Got this much on the brush. I've heard that these blushes are a little more sheer, which is what I'm hoping. That's what I prefer. Ooh, the dog just barked. Now, I know Patrick Ta has this thing about blending, like, a lot, so I'm gonna try my best not to have lines of demarcation with his blush ends here. I mean, not like he's gonna see this, but you know, I feel like using his product, I should try. All right, I feel cute. So next, he likes to use his blushes for a monochromatic look, so I'm also gonna put this in my eyes, or not in my eyes, on my eyelid. I'm going to use this fluffy brush from LaRousse, and I'm gonna pat it on the lid. I do have eye primer down, by the way. Yeah, that gives a really, really pretty soft wash of color. This is a beautiful tone of blush, and then I'm just gonna gently sweep it up and out. Okay, I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I'll be right back. Okay, let's continue with this unboxing. The next thing in here is from Item Beauty. Isn't Item Beauty another famous person brand? Tell me, let me know in the comments if you do know. This is the Prime Set and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist. And considering I just put on blush and everything, let's go ahead and use this. You open it up and on the inside it says a dose of self-love. This is how it looks. It has a really fun orange cap. It says that it's infused with aloe vera and tiger grass extracts to help calm and soothe. It also has lavender and rose waters to help tone and brighten, and sodium hyaluronate to hold in moisture. That sounds good to me. I like lavender, not so much rose. Hopefully this smells more like lavender than rose. Let's check out the sprayer. Ooh. It does smell floral, but not necessarily like either one of those. So not too strong. Ooh, I like the mister. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful. This is supposed to be a dewy finish face mist. I do think it made me more dewy. That's beautiful. I love that. Retail on that face mist is $18. Next up, I have a big giant hair product. I know it's like super washed out here in this light. This is from Air. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. Is it Ayer? I don't know, but this is the texture spray. It's infused with quartz and mica. It's supposed to be your new secret weapon for creating tousled texture and perfectly imperfect styles. Well, I'm not a hairstylist. Then styling my hair is kind of the bane of my existence, so I'm just gonna shake it up. Let's check out the sprayer and then I'll try it in my hair real quick. Whew, it's great. It does have a scent, but it's not overpowering like some dry shampoo texture type sprays are horrible. Let's try it out. You could tell I slept in my hair wet last night. It's a bit crazy. Okay, let's just give it some lift here in the back. Let's see. Ooh. It's this intense sprayer. Ooh, yes, I can definitely feel a difference. I have very, very fine hair. This is great for going in the root area to lift it up. Okay, I definitely feel like this stuff works. You know, sometimes these things just don't. If you have very fine hair, you know what I mean. This is really nice. The Air product has a retail of $28. Okay, I said I was mostly done putting my makeup. I'm not quite done yet. There is an item in here from About Face, which is Halsey's new brand. So I got one of the matte painted lip colors. The packaging on this is so satisfying for some reason. Like, at this square top with this soft matte finish. I just love it. And look at the color they sent me. Just, yes. I'm very thankful I didn't get a crazy bold color. I know with her line, I could have gotten a crazy color, so I'm very pleased to have gotten this mauve. What color is it? They sent me the color Last Goodnight. So I'm just gonna take off my lip gloss. I've been wearing the Tower 28 one just to keep my lips super hydrated before I put on a matte liquid lipstick. Now I'm a little bit nervous. I did have a horrible lip reaction the other day. Can you see it? Yeah, it looks like I've been chewing on my lips, but I have not. I don't know if it was a lip product, honestly, or a salad dressing. I have reacted to salad dressing before. I have very sensitive lips, so I don't know. I might be just super careful with my placement of this today, but I do really want to try it out. So let's see, what does the applicator look like? It looks just like a regular doe foot. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. Really prefer a really thin layer. The texture feels very moussey, actually. Very nice. It feels lightweight on the lips. Really, really cool. This is a fun color. It doesn't really go with my outfit today, but it's a fun color. Has it set down already? Almost. It sets down really quickly. Okay, let's open up some more of the things. We'll circle back to this. Okay, the second to the last item. We're almost to that hero item for giveaway. So I got some nail polish from Misho. This is a brand that I've gotten nail polish from before in IPSY. This is one of my choices, and I really think they're beautiful. So check out the bottles. Aren't they cute and beautiful, more neutral colors? I will definitely wear these. I don't wear a ton of nail polish. I've been trying to get more into it lately, and these are colors that I will wear. So I was happy to get to choose these. I just love them. Okay, so now for the hero item that will be up for giveaway. You guys ready? This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette. This retails for $65. I am gonna take it out of the package to show you, but I'm gonna make sure and keep it all nice so I can rebox it up to whoever I send it to. The outer packaging is beautiful. Like, I'm not really a huge fan of her putting her face on everything, but this particular one reminds me of like Beauty and the Beast or something. It's so pretty. And when you open it up, it does have a really nice mirror, and it has this beautiful slip on the inside. And then this is the palette. No, I have not swatched everything. It just has little divots like that in the shadows normally. Look at how beautiful that is. I cannot wait to send this to one of you guys. The palette feels nice and heavy, and it is just really, really beautiful. I'm going to leave instructions in the box down below on how you can enter to win. But I will say real quick, just make sure that you are subscribed. I would love it for one of my subscribers to win this. And if you want to be entered, just include in your comment, let's see, since this has kind of that flower theme, include in your comment if you have a favorite flower. Personally, I'm a lily person, all the different kinds, I love them. So if you don't want to be entered, you know, you can still comment down below, but if you do want to be entered, just make sure you include in your comment somehow what your favorite flower is. Let's circle back to this lip product. I don't think it's dried down completely yet. I mean, it hasn't been a long time, but I would say as far as liquid lipsticks go, I can sort of feel it on the lips, but it feels light. But I do kind of see, you know, my lips starting to do the crinkling up a little bit, which happens when, you know, whenever I use any sort of liquid lipstick. May not be something I reach for all the time, but they can be very handy, especially with mask wearing, and I'm happy to get this kind of a cool mauve color. It's pretty. Yeah, it's set down now. Like just a minute later, it's set down now. So I'm gonna leave here on the screen somewhere the total for my box. It could have been more. They had some really high retail value items that you could choose to add to your box, but they just weren't items that I was into, so I didn't choose them. Let me know, did you get the Glam Bag X? What did you think? I'm very curious to see what their next curator will be. They're really dropping hints that May is going to be this huge thing. Big name, I guess, is supposed to be curating the May's box. So whether or not I will get the box will depend entirely on the spoilers. I really just wanted this box for the Patrick Ta blush, I gotta be honest. And I'm really happy with it. I think it's beautiful. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you guys. And thank you guys so much again for subscribing and being here with me. I'll be leaving the giveaway open for a week to give people time to watch and comment, and then I'll be randomly choosing a winner. I will be replying back to your comment on this post to let you know that you won. However, sometimes YouTube notifications can be not good, so if you really want to make sure that if you're the winner that you get your notification, you can include like your Instagram handle and where I can send you a direct message if you're the winner. Or if you have an email that you don't mind leaving in a comment, you could do that as well. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!